Hi, Amia. Firstly, welcome to FIFA Foods. While I was researching about you, एक चीज मेरे को पता लगी कि you are from the Queen of Hills, right? So, from Darjeeling to Splitsvilla, how this journey happened and कैसे आप स्प्लिट्सविला में एंटर किए, ये मैं जानना चाह रहा हूँ आपसे सबसे पहले तो।
If you see me like social media में बहुत ज़्यादा active हूँ, and
हाँ
then
जी।
out of there only I think one of the casting agency contact किया मेरे को कि you look like a Splitsvilla material, do you want to give some interviews बोल के। तो मैंने audition दिया out of the blue मेरे को सोच भी नहीं रही थी कि Splitsvilla करना है। बचपन से मन तो था बचपन से देखती थी MTV Splitsvilla, and then I was really intrigued, तो कभी ना कभी तो जाऊंगी मैं बोल के सोचती थी। But then eventually as I grew up ज़्यादा और responsibilities आ गए, and then distract हो गई from the fact that I wanted to try in MTV Splitsvilla and all that. But then this year I got the chance to be audition for MTV Splitsvilla, and then I cleared out all the auditions as well, and then eventually I got to be selected to be a contestant in Splitsvilla. So it was really crazy, obviously.
So, मतलब as you have mentioned in your statement कि you come from a small town, तो कितनी बार ऐसा होता भी है कि जैसे स्मॉल टाउन से अगर कोई बाहर जाना चाह रहा है तो सबसे ज्यादा जो वर्ड होता है वो होते हैं पेरेंट्स, राइट? सो वो मैं जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि आपके पेरेंट्स का रिएक्शन क्या था व्हेन यू टोल्ड देम कि आई एम गोइंग इनटू स्पिट्सविला एंड ऑल दैट?
My parents were really supportive about it. Generally, मैं बताती हूँ, my parents don't even know what Splitsvilla is. But when I told them ये this dating show यहाँ reality show ये वो होता है, and they were maybe thinking nahi, dating shows, reality show all that. But then eventually convince them it's a good opportunity for me to grow. If I have to grow in this industry, it's a very good opportunity for me to go. And then eventually they were understanding, and they let me go. It's just उनको पता नहीं था कि क्या होता है बोल के.
एंड ऑल्सो आई वुड लाइक टू से कि बहुत सारे मेरे जो दोस्त हैं दे एक्चुअली दे आर फैन ऑफ योर्स एंड व्हेन जब मैं कल उनसे डिस्कस कर रहा था व्हेन आई टोल्ड देम कि देयर इज इंटरव्यू फॉर मी, सो दे टोल्ड कि भाई एक सवाल तो जरूर पूछना कि दे एक्चुअली वांटेड टू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ योर टैटूज, which tattoos, like here you have one eye tattoo and everything, that they actually wanted to know because if a person is saying there are some reasons about that.
See, I am not a thinker, okay? मैं इतना सोचती नहीं हूँ, I just like to live it as it is. So all my tattoos it does not have meaning. Some have meaning. ये तो बस लॉकडाउन में किया था, मेरा एक टैटू आर्टिस्ट दोस्त था तो उसने ये करा दिया था. So that's it. There's no meaning. It just means intuition. I Pinterest से निकाला गया था. And basically this is a snake tattoo. इससे
Snake
यहाँ
and flower.
it is a snake tattoo. It basically means a snake, and then there's flowers on it, right? So it basically means even the evil can walk amongst the path of good and all that. So there's, and then a lot of other tattoos. You want me to
Yeah, I
explain
know,
it
I know.
all?
And also एक सवाल ये भी था, like recently you uploaded a blog stating my connection in Splitsvilla.
Yeah.
And that blog is actually loved by many and बहुत सारे लोग उसमें कमेंट भी लिख रहे हैं कि actually you were much better and much best than you know, और सारे positive comments थे when I was seeing that video. I came across one comment which you also stated, so उसके बारे में actually wanted to know where you're talking about Dev, right? Because तुमने criticize किया for a comment, Amiha wanted to have ease during the trip, she was not okay with the cameras. That point I actually wanted to know from your side.
We went on a trip. हम चार लोग, Dev, Kashish, Addy, and me. हम चार लोग trip में गए थे, कसोल गए थे. And then starting of the trip, I was enjoying it. उससे पहले हम पहले भी मिली थी Dev के साथ. And then अच्छा था, things were working out between us. ऐसा कुछ love connection नहीं चल रहा था. But then I was expecting कि maybe something can happen between us बोल के सोचा था. And then जब हम कसोल के trip में गए, तब same things repeated. जैसे हम स्प्लिट्सविला में था, I was not, because see, if I'm if I want that attention, okay, मेरे को crave होता है attention का, I'm a girl. तो जब if you see the person like flirting with someone else like rather than you like constantly वो भी है तो ये बहुत अच्छा नहीं लगा था. And then जब भी देव vlog बना रहा था तो like I was not feeling at ease like during the entire show, not like during the not sorry during the entire trip, because not
Right.
because of MTV splits like the MTV splits villa the show खत्म हुए 3 महीने हो चुके हैं. I was totally
Right.
over it. उसके पहले मैंने भी vlogs डाले हैं. I was totally over it. And then वो लिखता है कि like she was not at ease during the trip because of the show. So that was really गलत. उसने मेरे को बोला भी नहीं ये बात. उसको बहुत hate मिल रहा था वहां पे comment section
Yes.
कि वो तुम क्यों कशिश को अटेंशन दे रहे हो. लोगों को बेसिकली दिख रहा था like how he treats me and then how he treats कशिश बोल के. तो he was trying to defend himself by saying that like by saying कि Ameha was not at ease. So that was really stupid of him. लोगों को पता चलता है like कि I'm comfortable around cameras. It's just like he did not have enough reason to defend himself. तो इसलिए उसने ये story
Okay.
बनाया जो भी.
And I also wanted to know your equation with Tanuj, with Urfi, with Sunny, like how it was, like your connection with them.
Tanuj sir and Tanuj sir and Sunny ma'am was like really supportive throughout the season. बहुत ही ज़्यादा like involved थे with contestants, like involved थे. जब भी कुछ गलत होता है तो they would point it out like this is not right and all. And कभी भी like if someone is right they would appreciate them. तो ऐसा involvement होता था उन लोगों का like as a host, like they're not just like खुद का देखते हैं like अभी ये करते हैं. But then like off cameras as well they were like really supportive. Are you okay? Like अगर किसी का कुछ हो रहा है तो they would really be supportive at that as well. And Tanuj sir, I just feel like he has a really good sense of humor, and then he's really funny as well at the same time. And Sunny ma'am is really cute, and then she's just so straight up. I just love her. And Urfi ma'am is also like very genuine है, बहुत ही सीधी बात करती है, no bakwas. So that's what I like about her.
And I also when we were seeing the show, I actually wanted to know about this. What went wrong between you and Regden, because people actually don't know the whole story clearly. So that's the reason I actually wanted to know that.
2-3 साल पहले.
No,
Or
like
on the show.
recently in the show I'm asking.
No, nothing went wrong between me and Rigden. I think pretty much like I did like मैंने pitch भी किया है Rigden के I think in one dome session if you see मैंने बोला कि Rigden is generally a nice person, like don't vote him out बोल के मैंने ये बोला है Rigden के बारे में. So nothing is wrong, like nothing, कुछ complication नहीं था Rigden के साथ. I think like जैसे show में आया था वो, I was really pissed at him. Okay, I was really pissed at him. I was annoyed कि like ये वो चल रहा है like that why did he come to a show like like this. जहाँ पे like I wanted really to move on and then like कुछ नया कुछ build करना, like नया journey start करना. But then I was pissed at him. But then eventually we made things up. 2 साल हो चुके थे हमारे like जो भी हमारे चल रहा था तब end हुआ था. तो उसके बाद like I was totally moved on. तो ऐसे अच्छा नहीं लगता like मूव ऑन हो चुकी हूँ मैं, बट देन मैं फिर से वो चीजें बाहर निकाल रही हूँ है ना. तो बट देन जो भी था हमने सॉर्ट कर दिया था. बाद में इट्स जस्ट लाइक देव को रिगदेन पसंद नहीं आया था क्योंकि उसको लगा था कि मैं रिगदेन के साथ कनेक्शन बिल्ड कर रहा हूँ बोल के. When the truth was I was just talking to him as friends. And if I have to be honest, Digvijay, Lakshay वगैरह did pitch for Rigden to me. वो बोला था Digvijay, even they can like support me on this, they pitched in for Rigden to Rigden के साथ connection बना ले वो बोल के. But then I was just like नहीं, मेरा देव के साथ connection day one से है, मैं देव के साथ stick करूंगी बोल के. So that was it. But then still after all this as well I got backstabbed.
And, like there are already बहुत सारे अभी फिलहाल रियलिटी शोज का जो चलन है बहुत ज्यादा चल रहा है, like पब्लिक ज्यादा देखना चाह रही है रियलिटी शोज. So there is one reality show called Big Boss. Like if you ever get any opportunity, will you go?
Definitely, I love Big Boss, and I think like in a way थोड़ा mentally बहुत ही you have to be strong in Big Boss.
Yes.
So I think वो थोड़ा प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा मेरे को, बिकॉज मेरा इतना आई थिंक जस्ट एंटायर शो मेरे को बस एक बार मेल्ट डाउन हुआ था जब एरिका के साथ झगड़ा हो रहा था. बट देन इन जनरल लाइक आई थिंक आई डू हैव अ गुड स्ट्रॉन्ग माइंडसेट, एंड देन आई थिंक आई कैन डू वेल इन बिग बॉस if I do get the chance.
But I actually want to say, like, as you state कि we एक बार आपका meltdown हुआ था, but the people, the audience, they were actually appreciating you that you were much more respectful and you were much more better and best. And lastly, I want to know one more thing that as अभी आगे आपके और क्या projects आ रहे हैं and what you all you have in a pipeline right now.
So right now, see, अभी show में जितना दिखा, like मैं I showed my genuine self, my true self. So of course, like in real life also, I will be true to myself. So I think I want to show this true self, like more of this over, like through my YouTube channels and all that, and then maybe like try some different reality shows as well. जो भी opportunities मिले, I would definitely would like to try that.
And what message you want to give to your fans lastly?
Lastly, I just wanna apologize to my fans. Ki, like, I'm sorry I could not perform so well in the villa as a lot of people were expecting. मैं
But they loved you.
लेकिन आगे तक नहीं जा पाई. Yeah.
But actually they loved you.
Yes, but I think they were expecting, if you love someone, like you
Yes.
want them to do well in the show as well, right? So I think they were wanting me to go आगे तक शो में, but then मैं नहीं जा पाई आगे तक, तो बहुत ही disappointment feel हो रहा है कि कि I let all my fans and audience down, तो बुरा लग रहा है उसी बात पे. But still, if I'm pretty sure they will still be supportive, and then आगे भी support करते रहेंगे. So for all of that, I just want to thank all of them so much.
I wish the best for you, Amiya. Thank you so much for giving a precious time and thank you for being very honest and thank you for talking. It मतलब जिस तरीके से आपने अपनी बातें रखी, thank you for that. And I really wish you get much more better offers. And as you said, आप Big Boss करना चाहती हैं, तो मैं जरूर आपको देखना चाहूंगा Big Boss में भी. Thank you.